For 30 days, your body undergoes a transformation that most people never realize. Imagine waking up completely drained. Your stomach growls, your head feels light. Now, imagine this for 30 days. But here's the twist. Your body doesn't get weaker. It evolves. By day 30, something incredible happens. And today, we're breaking down exactly what happens. You wake up for suhoor, you eat, and then silence. No food, no water, your body panics. It's searching for sugar, but guess what? You're running low. So now your body does something incredible. Your body flips a switch and starts eating itself. Not in a bad way, in a genius way. It burns stored glycogen first, then moves to fat. Yes, that stubborn belly fat, it's the first target. By now, your body is getting used to the fast. But here's the twist. Your brain, it's on fire. Scientists found that fasting triggers brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, the same thing that sharpens memory, fights depression, and even boosts intelligence. That's right. You're literally getting smarter by fasting. Okay, now this is where things get crazy. Your body starts autophagy. Think of it as your body's deep cleaning mode, destroying old, weak cells and replacing them with new, stronger ones. Scientists say it's like rewinding your biological age. Now, you've unlocked something special. Your body is no longer just fasting. It's thriving. Testosterone, up. Growth hormone, up. Your immune system, stronger than ever, even your skin. It starts glowing. Now this is the moment no one talks about. On day 30, your body has fully rewired itself. Your metabolism is restarted. Your cells are regenerated. You don't just feel different. You are different. If you made it this far, drop a comment below. Fasting power. So I know you're part of the 1% who love learning mind-blowing facts. And don't forget to share this with someone who's fasting this Ramadan. They need to hear this.